Raven Elyse TV.
Hey guys, what's up? It's Raven and welcome to my garage that is an absolute shambles. As you can probably tell by the mess behind me, today is going to be a cleaning and organizing vlog. It's literally a mess in here. It is so unorganized, so messy, so much trash and just stuff that I don't need, and it's been piling up basically ever since I moved in. I have a huge pile of recycling, just cardboard boxes from all of the PR packages that I receive, all of the furniture that I've ordered for my house recently, just all this stuff from birthday parties, stuff from Easter, stuff from it's been piling up for far too long. You guys are probably thinking that I'm a hoarder right now. You're probably thinking that I'm a revolting slob, that I'm just a mess and I'm just disgusting, and I don't blame you. But it's just hard for me to take my recycling out because I have to take it, you know, across the street to the bin, and it's hard to do that with a toddler, and I just never find time, and then I procrastinate, and I never do it, and it's just been piling up for months. Like a mountain that I can climb on. Everything that's on the shelves, I don't even know what's on the shelves. I don't know what's in the bins. I know most of it is stuff that I don't need, and it needs to be cleaned out and reorganized. And then on top of the recycling mountain, the horrible shelves, the stuff on the floor, I also have these boxes over here to my left, which are now taking up a lot of space because these are full of my new merch. So if you guys have not heard, I've been talking about it on Snapchat and stuff, but if you have not heard, I am going to be releasing some new merch. I have t-shirts, long sleeve shirts, short sleeve shirts. I also have hoodies, and I also have onesies and toddler kids shirts. So it's going to say #shambles on it. I did sell some #shambles shirts before, and you guys really liked them, so I wanted to bring them back with more styles and give you guys some kids and baby sizes. That way you can do some really cute mommy and me shambles t-shirt looks. Oh, and quickly, for anyone who doesn't know what #shambles means, shambles is just a word that I use a lot. I mean, I started off this video by saying shambles. Like, this video is literally shambles because it just means like everything is falling apart, like it's a mess, like we don't know what's going on, and that kind of describes my life a lot. But I made the shirts in a really cute font with like glitter, and it's like really nice and shiny, because to me it just means like, yeah, your life might be in shambles sometimes things fall apart, but you still shine, and you just accept your flaws and you keep going. And that's kind of what that means to me, and that's what the shirt represents. So yeah, it says shambles, but it's cute and it's glittery because you still shining. I think the first thing I definitely have to do is go ahead and tackle recycling mountain. I mean, there's literally probably like 1,000 boxes. Like, this is chock full. Like, there's boxes inside of boxes, under the boxes, stuff in the boxes, just boxes. There's so many freaking boxes. And I'm honestly a little concerned because I don't know how I'm going to get all of this stuff across the way to the recycle bin with just little old me. I think the best thing I can do is take the really big ones. Like, I have this big one from some furniture that I ordered. This one right here. So I think I'm just gonna have to go ahead and take these big ones one by one and walk them over there to the bin. This is definitely gonna be my workout for today because I'm in a time crunch, so I'm running back and forth. This fast. Oh God, wait. Big box number 2. All right, so I have this little grocery cart thing that I used to have when I used to live in an apartment, because you unfold it and you use it to bring all your groceries from the parking garage to your apartment. So I kept it, and I've been using it as like a trash take-arounder thing. So usually I just wait till this thing gets filled up, and then I go and take it to the trash, but I haven't been doing that. All right, so got the big boxes, I got the cart emptied out. I still have hella little boxes though. I think I'm gonna go ahead and fill up this cart like one more time. And again, this is all just cardboard and paper. None of this stuff is actual like food, trash, nasty stuff, because I do not play with the roaches and the rats. So I'm not that disgusting. Now I think what I'm gonna do with the rest of the boxes, because there's still quite a bit, I think I'm just gonna throw it all in the trunk of my car, drive it over there, that way I can just unload it all at once. And I know technically you're supposed to like break down your boxes, flatten them out. Do you really think that I have time for that right now? Mm-mm. This is the last of the stuff, but I'm gonna have to put it in the front seat. All right, so without my car being in here, you can see my little bootleg studio setup where I just put backdrop paper on the wall. And yeah, the recycle mountain is now gone. No more recycle mountain. Still have like some little pieces of, I don't even know. So now what I really want to do is go to Target and look at some organizational stuff, some bins, some boxes, some hooks for the wall. And I actually really want to get just one of those cheap folding tables, like card tables, because I would like to set up like a little outdoor craft area, like when I need to come outside and paint something and stuff that I just don't want to do in the house. It would be nice to have like a little table right here, which can also be used as like merch packing table whenever we're like shipping out the merch and stuff. So I would really like to clear off this whole floor area right here. There is a rug under there. I don't know if you guys can see the rug, but basically clear off the rug. So hopefully we can find some items to get like wall storage, like some hooks or something, because some of this stuff I feel like can be hooked up on the wall so it's not on the floor, and just get like some better bins and stuff. And yeah, hopefully be able to take this whole floor rug area from being just covered in junk and the paint is just all on the floor to having a nice crafting table setup over here. All right, so just pulled up to Target. I have a little less than 1 hour until I need to be at Ziya's school picking her up from school, so I ain't got time to dilly-dally and get distracted and start looking at all types of home decor and all types of extra stuff like y'all know I like to do in Target. So I need to go in with, you know, tunnel vision, garage organizational crafting stuff only. I have a few things in mind, like I said, that I want to get, so I think it should be a pretty easy trip. I'm just hoping that they actually have everything that I want, because y'all know I favor Target over everywhere else, and I know there's other places that I can go, but I just like going to Target for the experience, okay? Also, you probably thought that I forgot my cleaning hats. Well, you're right, I did, but I just remembered it. So let's put the cleaning hat on and let's get this done. All right, so I think I do want to get some of these like plastic drawer things. Oh, this would be nice. Value pack set of 2 to put little knickknacks in. I feel like I'm gonna need some stuff like this. Folding tables, card tables. I swear, oh, think I found it. I think I just need the 4-foot one. So all the kitchen drawer organizer stuff, like the silverware organizers, are on sale right now, and it's like all cleared out, but I found some stuff in the back. And these are actually like for your tools and stuff. I mean, you can use it for anything, but I think these would be good to get a couple sets of these to go inside my drawers that I'm getting. So to go inside of these things. Laundry stuff, no. Ooh, I do want a new sewing machine though, but I think I'm gonna order mine online. Okay, so these are like the command hooks things. This can hold 3 pounds. 5 pounds. Okay, so just finished up at Target. I got a few good things. I think I want to go over to Home Goods real quick because since I am trying to put a table in my garage, you kind of need a chair for the table, and I would like to just use my chair that's currently in my studio room, my white office chair. I could just use that in the garage and I can get the chair that I really want for my studio, which is what I've been talking about, getting a different stool, but I haven't been able to find the stool because I saw it at Home Goods and I didn't get it. Then when I went back, they didn't have it. So I'm gonna go to Home Goods right now, see if they have the little stool that I want for my studio room. That way I can use my old studio room chair for the garage. So fingers crossed that they have it today. I have like 15 minutes, so I'm not gonna get distracted. Yay, oh my gosh, they had it. It's not the exact one that I originally wanted. The other one I saw was like a cute pink color, but this one's neutral and it doesn't matter. It's for function, not for design. And I just barely have enough space in my trunk for it, so I acted on it because you never know with Home Goods when it's gonna be gone. So I got the fold-out table, the stool, these stackable bins things, some little organizational bins, and I randomly got a toy for Ziya. Yay, I'm so happy that they had that stool because I've been trying to get that for the longest. So I just made it with 3 minutes to spare. So I'm going to head over to Ziya's school and pick her up. Then we're gonna come back and my mom is actually gonna come over and help me organize / help me watch Ziya if she doesn't go down for her nap. She's been getting kind of iffy with nap time lately. So hopefully Ziya will go down for her nap and that'll give me and my mom some good time to clean and organize, but if not, then my mom will be there to help watch her.
All the designs on your wish list. Want a crowd pleasing sectional for your living room? Check. Got you and your home covered, so look out.
Okay, so I just put Ziya down for her nap. First thing I'm gonna do is go ahead and switch out my chair. So I'm bringing up my new stool. So this will now be the chair for in here, which should work really well because the thing I don't like about this chair is that you can see the back of the chair showing in all of my pictures and videos and stuff, and it just doesn't really give a seamless look. So with just having this little stool, obviously it gives me somewhere to sit, but it will give me a clear background without seeing the chair. Now I have to bring this old chair down to the garage and that can just be my work chair in the garage since, you know, good enough, it works. See how it's like all dingy and dusty? I've had this thing for a while, but it can live in the garage now. So I'm just gonna put it right here for now. Obviously I have a lot more work to do. All right, so since Ziya is taking her nap right now and my mom won't be here for like another hour to help me organize, I'm actually gonna take a break right now and eat lunch because I'm starving. I didn't even eat breakfast. It's hot outside. I'm tired. I need some water. So I'm gonna eat lunch right now and then you guys will have to wait for part 2 of this video to actually see the cleaning and organizing of all of this stuff and see the finished result. So make sure to watch part 2 if you want to see the finished product. Make sure to thumbs up this video if you like cleaning, organizing, shop with me type videos, and I can do more of them. And yeah, subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you guys in part 2.